For more than 50 years, we've been preparing for this moment. A moment of moving forward, questioning ourselves, adapting, aligning. Because evolution becomes ambition. We didn't reinvent ourselves. We elevated ourselves, bringing together the best of who we've always been into one stronger, global structure. Because the pharma industry demands partnerships built on trust and flexibility. End-to-end softgel expertise, endless know-how, and customer-centric by nature, all under one roof. As part of Sofgen Pharma, we move with a purpose. Transforming lives through health, guided by quality, ethics, and sustainable results. Every great brand evolves. Ours just did. The world got a new global Softgel CDMO. Built on experience, driven by partnership, ready for what's next. We're Sofgen CDMO.